Malola maria ho e ki melelei ai Tonga hono kotoa. Fia ke utalitalelei ki mautol ki o mo uniongo o meleti o. Kai umaafu ke televisa ne Tonga ki he howani. Wakai ko ia ki he ngahi ulu iongongo. Whamo o nialea pao e minista mo ui me sea o i kautaha GX Foundation mei he pule angasiaina. Ki he wāwhinga o aki whaofi a ingo whanua ki hono tokonia o e sektoa mo ui. Whamahu inga i he wikeni ai toka ngai kina ko ia o i wiki ātakai. Pe au ki mei he wa a tautupu potu ngau ki ngai ngau e whalata whanua e whia mau ke whakaivia a tautupu. E te ia i pe me ngahi taranoa ke he anayangi whataha me wakai ke whamumitaha me he mala e o e sipoti. Kai o maafu ke whamatala e a ka koe wakai lewa eni ke whaikiki ko au sanoli tātu i vai. Ko e makamaile mahu inga ki he potu ngai mo ui e ngahi tokoni o kuala nima mai mei he ngai whanua i tua pule anga ke whakaivia whame a ngā awe ai potu ngā awe. Ko uhi ko e mahu inga ai ngā awe ki hono tauhi mo toka ngai kina ai mo ui lelei ai kakai o e whanua. Nei whakahoko ai aniafi ai whakamuoni a lea pau i he wā ai potu ngai mo ui mo i kautaha GX Foundation ai pule anga siaina. Nei whakahoko ai aniafi ai whakamuoni a lea pau i he wā ai potu ngai mo ui mo i kautaha GX Foundation ai pule anga siaina. I he polokalamani nei whoakai ai tokoni, ai a koe ngahi me a ngā awe ke tokoni ki ana whakasisi i ai mawhola i moftingi i Tongani. I he mea minista mo ui hua kawa mei liku koe tau mua e polokalama tokoni ko e ni, ke wheinga hawhaunga ke whakaau hai ai nā mū i hono whetuku mō whamawhola ai moftingi i Tongani. Lo Tongani nei pehe sea kautaha GX Foundation o Siaina, Shungi Lueng, koe konga pe eni ai toi whakaai ai, ke toi lelei mo wāofiangi ai wāwhinga e aki a Tonga mo Siaina, pe i kai ngatai ka ok whamu o mua i he purianga Siaina, ai mahu inga a hono toka ngai kina ai mo ui lelei, ai ngahi whanua. Nāne toi pehe toko pai kautaha GX Foundation, ke toko nia a Tongani i hatau e ua, i ha whaahinga mea pe ok whie mao ki a sektoa oi mo ui. Kai kehe ko GX Foundation, ko ha kautaha ofa i kai whapure anga nei whakotuuia i Hong Kong siaina i he wāwhi taha balu, pe ok whatau mua ki hono o ato e tokoni whawhaitoo mo e mo ilelehi ai kakai. Koe ngau e te whita kautaha koe niu toko nia ngai whanua e taha ua o kawai a Tongani, pe o kai ukia e ngai whakotuutuu, o ku whate whito i hono toka ngai o e mo uilelei a kakai, pe he whoki ki he mo uilelei ai tō kui kolo. O ku uki me he wa atau tupu e potu ngā aue ngāhi ngau whalato whanua, ai mahu inga ki hono whakaivia ai vi malawa e tau tupu ki he seo whia ko ia e nau kaha o pe he ki he kaha o e whanua. Ko i tau mua ngā aue ia ai wa ako ia o e tau tupu ke whakaivia pe puke hono whakaivia ai vi malawa e tau tupu, ke nau malawa o mu uipe ia te ki nau tolu mo hono whakatolonga ai kaha o ki he tuuloa o i kai ki te whawhalala ki hataha. Li te atau kapo mo e whaikiki.
Nā e whakahoko ai ane awhi e polokalama whepōtara no aki e kaunga au i he waa ki e whakalakalaka o e tō tupu i he holo sia Swisiliana tau a taina halafo ou ki e whanau wako o e University Whawhanua o Tonga. Mo e nau tau mua ki whakailo ki e tō tupu ai tuutuuni ngā ue ki he youth policy ai pun ngawe, mo mahu inga ke nau ilo mo mahino i ai ngai whiema vivili ai whanua. Lolo Tonga eni, nai whakaiki eke ai o ngonga le tio Tonga mo toko ni pule lahi ai potu ngāwe o ngai ngāwe whalota whanua sina mā fuao. O ne pehe o ku mahu inga ai whiema o ke ilo ai tau tupu ke tuunga o ku nau iai i he whanua mo ngai whiema o ku o mai i he tuutuuni ngāwe ma ai tau tupu.
Pe koe whika o raki koe o e whie mau viviri, koe whie mau he tautupu, ke whatoa ngai, ke pēr whaiha ngā ue ke nau mo ui. Tu unga koe nau mo ui, ke nau mo ui rilei, ho nau atamai, sino mo nau lau maari e. Whika ua o whie mau he tautupu, ke iai ke whaiha ngā ue, ke nau tolu, ko uhi koe palopare mai whakautuutu koe o e lahi o hono ngā ue aki koe e kawa mālohi, pehe ki he whaito o Tongatapu. Lahi au pite wesia e tautupu ai, pa wai mo nau ngahi uhinga ke kau whie mau he tautupu ke nau ke whatonga he whanua whakalukufua pa whaiha ngā ue ki ai. Pea mo ki nau tōlu, ke ilo i ki nau tōlu, ai lao, ke nau ilo i ai ngahi mea ke nau malawa o whakaihi ai, me he tō he ngai whaingata a koe ni. Koe whika whaa lewa, o whia mao lewa e ke he whatonga i ai to tonu, ai tau tupu i he taim tatau, o kui ai nau ngai whatongia. Koe hi ngā pe ke nau tawa taina pe ke nau whiri ka he taim tatau, o whia mao ke au ai hoko e nau whiri tawa taina ki tā palasia e tawa taina he kakai ke he. Ai wai pe no ngata anga, pa wai mo nau ngai whatongia ke nau whakahoko. Koe whika whaa lewa ke nau kaua tai ngai whia mao vivili mo ngai palpalema lalahi o kuwesia e mo ia tau tupu pe o malawa ke nau tokoni ai ka hange koe tā langa i koe ni o e ngahi whenili waki ai ea ai natula pe kau he upalani whafonua koe tau tupu lahi o pite ngahi whakakau lelei o nau mao ka kohono whakakau ki nau tau he tā langa pe whakakau i hono hono ngā we i koe ni o e ngā ue whafonua ko tui koe mea fuwhia mao ke nau kau he palani kau hono ngā ue i kau i hono Moimoi i he koe ngahi tau weni o ku nau fuu iwi pau whia mao ke whakaivia ki nau tōru e nau iwi ke nau whaiha ngā ue lelei i taim tatau o ku nau longo mo ui ke lava ke tokoni wha ekonomika mo wha sosiale ai whanua na koe whaka ausi lewa koe ngā koe lahi koe hano pa ausi i o interneti
Na toi pehepe e fuao o ku mahu inga ki he mātu a me ngai whamili ke nau whakatupu ha ātakai lelei mo ui lelei ma ai tau tupu. Ke lalanga ai e nau mo ui mo iwi malawa he ka ikai ke poupou i lelei me api ai tau tupu o malawa ke nau whakahoko ai e ngai whili o ikai ke sai ka nau tolu pe a hoko ai ke wesia ai ātakai o whamili kai pehe ki he kolo. Hilia i whakatara noa ai wa au ngonga le teo Tonga mun i he whanau wako ai University whawhanua a Tonga nā nau pehe koe polokalama mahu inga eni. Koe uhi he okulahi taha ai ngahi ilo me he polokalamani na i kaike nau ilo pe mahi no i whiunga. Nā nau toi pehe pe, koe ngai whenga maali e ko e ni oku tonu ke whakahoko mao peia ki he tau tupu o e whanua, he oku nau o ngoi oku iai e nau mahu inga i hono toka ngā i makehe ki nau tolu, pea te nau lava whakahoko hangai tuutu uni lelei ma aho nau kaha u, kai pehe ke tu uloa ai whanua. Ko e polokalama koe ni, o i kai koe fōfua taimi e ni ke whakahoko ai, ka o os whakahoko ki ngai tū kui kolo. Pea koe tau mua mahu inga ia ki he tau tupu, ke no whakaivia ki nau tolu, mo poupou i lelei e nau ngahi whie mau, mo e tau mua i he whakawhamiri, ka pehe ke pule anga mo e whanua. Ma ai o ngonga le te om televisione Tonga, ko auri tea tau kapo.
Pea o ku mahu inga ia ai waa atakai ko ia ai potu ngawe meidek ke whakailo mo whakatau kei i ai whānau wako ke nau toi ilo lahi ange ke ngahi ngā ue o whilili waki o ea mo e wesia tamaki o atakai. Koe konga eni e nau ngā ue ke no whakai ai ai whānau wako ke nau ilo lahi ke he kawe ingani i he kei whailonga e ko ia ai wiki atakai i he wiki ni. I he whai ki eke a ngonga le te o Tonga mo sio siwa Latu me he waa ātakai o potungai meidek na e pehe Latu. Ko tau mua te whito i tau ni ko e whakalahi ilo e whānau ako o whikau aki mo e ātakai. I he ene pehe na e whilia ngahi ako loto e whito ke nau a ahi kei i he wikendi me ngahi polokalama kehe ko os fuatutu o ke whakahoko i he aho takitaha.
Pea hoko mai ai teo ka mata moni te ai e whakaosi ki a pongpongi koe mei whaka te whito i he ngahi ako anga. Ai ne mau tāketi ki he ngahi ako lantoi pure anga pe koe ngahi ako loto. Ka i he tauni, ai ne mau kamata, me i he lautohi ako loto ko ia a Nuku'alofa, i he ahmonite ta moe Latu preanga ko ia a halawawe. Aine mau piripe ai ngahi ako e fitu o mei ako e ua i aho. Ka koe, ai koe whakate whito pe ke lava he whanau, o tuku mai a e nau ilo o whawhekau aki, pia mo whiriri waki ko ia o ea. Koe make he anga whake polokalama ia koe o wikeni e sonorita ne maulawa atu ki he alonga. Ko ha wahe to mawhana ne whakahoko he e ni ihi o ku kaike kakato e sino tapo mo ki nau tolu, koe ni ihi o ku o ure whawhonga, koe ni ihi o ku nau heka sariote, a e nau pou, ko hiko e nau tūla vea ngofua ki he ngahi taau e whiririwaki o ea, ka ku mahu inga au pito ai ngahi poupoaki ko ia nau tuku atu. Aia koe whate whito ia ngahi polokalama ko ia o e tauni, ko haha ngahi mau, ko haha ngahi hiwa, ko ha whangaki talanoa whatata, e lava e he whanau, o tuku atu ai ngahi poupoaki ko ia, i kai ngata pe i he tauako whakalukufua ai whunua, ta pe he poki ki he ni ihi me he ope, ai mahu inga ko ia ke whai a hono tokanga i kina, pia mohono poupou i a tau ātakai. Malo, senorita.
Malo opito e so tiua ko lave i Lolo tonga nina te wikia e Latu ai whanau wako i mahino o i aipe ai ilo makehe ai whanau wako ki hono tokanga i kina o i ātakai. Poki ai whakau amu ai vai ātakai ke kei hoko atu a hono whaka ilo ke toi lolo toange ai tau kei ilo whanau wako whikau aki pea mui ātakai.
Koe ngahi apiako koni ne maulawa tu koe ki ai i he tauni. Oku iai e tokanga makehi a koe uhi koe tuunga mo e ilo mau koe e whanau. Oku maolunga o pito he ngahi mea na mau whakakaukau atu ki ai. Koe uhi koe ki tamasi i tau hongo furu pe koe kalasi nima, pe koe kalasi ono. Koe ngahi popoa ki mahu inga koe ne o nau o mai e nau tolu ia. Oku lava ke whakahoata rerei atu ai tuunga ma teuteu pia mo se ngawe aki. O whakahoko he kauwhai ako ke te nau tolu. Ka tupe mua ke puke whainga maari e koe ni ke whamalo ke pot ngawe ako, ka tau te whito ke kaupure ako mo kauwhai ako, i ngahi ako koni na maulawa atu ki ai, ai ako ako loto Nuku'alofa, koe lautohi pure anga a halawawe, koe ako loto ko ia a whangapilo levu, te he ki havelu loto, mo ako ko ia i pea, pa te he foki ki alonga, pa te mawha osi ki i ako sias tokai kolo, pe ko lavena maarie. Ka koe tuunga ko ia ke ilo ai whanau, ia mahino au pito, a hono teu i rei he kauwhai ako, ke nau hanga o, i tai ngata pehe nau ilo ai ngahi uesia tamaki, e hoko ki he tau ātakai, pe mo whiririwaki o ea, ka te nau lava peo te tokoni, ke nau sio i api o kulaku wewe, pe kututu wewe ai mātua, te nau lava pehe ki tamasi i tau hiwa, te tau hongo fulu o ki whakamanatu atu pe. Ka kou kore whakataha te auia me pōpaki mahu inga o ku atu he whanau i he ngahi, i he wike koni o maulava atu koe ki ai, koe kore peke kakai whanua, ke tau whetaki nima mua ko uhi koe mahu inga, te tokanga kina ho tau ātakai. Lawe i pe koe uhi koe kono teuteu i koe tau whanau, koe hakau ko ia o lolo tongani, ko ki nau tolu te nau hoko ko whanua, pe te nau hoko ko hakau taki i he kahau.
Kai ke he koe ka weinga kune te tāki a ke wiki ātakai o tauni koe tokateu ke he whiririwaki o ea, oua e toloi kamata i he ahoni. E toka kātoa na whailonga i o wiki ātakai a pongi. Uni o ngongo whalotu whanua pe ki hauani te tawa kai ki whamumui taha, mei he malai o sipoti pia mo pia o lie.
I he whetaki nima e komisoni whamawhora rea Tonga me potungau e ngahi ngau e whalotu whanua pe mia. Malawa i ke whamawhora te mala e sipoti me whiahi supura ki Pacific Monoa Uano. Whamalo ke Eik Minista me ka whaki sipoti ai potungau e i whenga e aki ua whakahoko. Maloma tau ki whilo ngoki koe wakaingi malai o e sipoti. O ku teu ke tafi mala e te misi hifo tau taha tolo ai korisko tupou mo e Tonga Side School o Pongpongi i hoka tui takahono tolo i whia hoka pulu ngai korisko Tongatapu. Ko hiri ene hono tukuange mai me komiti sipoti koe ngai korisi ai mape ki halfono ngai whia auhi o e wikeni. O ku kei hao ai e reko te tama piri nisi tau whahau manmatanga mo ne kaunto a me i he vāo tāko ura i he teu koe au hoko atu ai ngahi wa inga ki e pāke teu whai wā. Rotonga ni koe whanau si hifa tau taha walu be senior e whipaki ako maalunga ko tupou mo e korisko tupou tau ka sete koe samfou mo e koristonga pe i whai walahi e veipai ai ako maalunga ria hona mo e ako maalunga o tonga. Ko toenga ngahi wa inga ki he e whahako ia he mala e o e korisam fo'ou tai lulu tupou high school walo loa pe he ki he koristonga. Kai ki he kua whapapau i me he kau taha soka antonga ka matai be mo e whia hoi koe ngai korisi a Pongpongi, whahako pe ia ki he api soka ko walungo fulu.
Ka ki moa pa tau mawai, tau toi wakai pe heli ki he ngahi ulu i o ngongo. Whamo o nialea pao e Minista mo ui me sea o i kautaha GX Foundation me i he pore angasiaina, ki he wāwhinga o i aki whaofi a yungo whanua ki he no tokonia o i sektor mo ui. Whamahu inga i he wikeni ai toka ngai kina ko ia o i wiki a takai, pe au ki mei he wa a tautupe poto ngau ki ngai ngau whalato whanua ai whia mao ke whakaivia ai tautupu. Pe amoi kakate pe mo uni o ngongo me leitio ke o maafu ki televisa ne tonga ki hawani mo i eska amune au tonu atu ki he lota whale o i tonga hone kotoa. Whamalo te tau ki whi au mai kwa o sinolita tu iwai ka munea. Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonganese for tonight. Making headlines, Minister of Health and GX Foundation Chair signed agreement strengthening Tonga-China Health Cooperation. Environment Week highlighted this week, and Tonga's Youth Development Division emphasizes empowering young people for the future. We have these and more stories later on in the bulletin together with sports to wrap up with the latest weather update. Now for the stories in details. Support provided by overseas partners continues to be a great importance to the Ministry of Health in strengthening its capacity and resources, particularly in its vital role of protecting and promoting the health and well-being of the people of Tonga. Let's take a look. Yesterday, a memorandum of agreement was signed between the Ministry of Health and the GX Foundation as a charitable organization from China. During the ceremony, the foundation also donated equipment aimed at helping reduce the spread of dengue fever in Tonga. Minister of Health, Wakavameliku, said the objective of the assistance program is to identify effective ways to eliminate mosquitoes which are responsible for transmitting and spreading dengue fever. Wakavameliku adds the assistance will support the Ministry of Health ongoing efforts to control and reduce the spread of dengue fever in Tonga.
Only a health crisis. It is an economic and social emergency. Prevention, therefore, is not a luxury. It is a strategic imperative. And this MOU responds directly to that imperative. Allow me to outline some of the substantive provision of this key partnership. The GX Foundation, a non-governmental organization duly registered in Hong Kong Special Administrative Region of the People's Republic of China, operating under the Belt and Road Initiative's principle of people-to-people connectivity, shall donate equipment and supplies for vector-borne disease control with particular focus on dengue fever and fly-related diseases. The foundation shall bear the cost of procurement and transport of all donated items to the port of delivery in Tonga. The foundation shall provide training. For its part, the Ministry of Health of the Kingdom of Tonga, as the sovereign authority responsible for the Tonga health policy, shall assume responsibility for customs duties, value-added tax, and custom clearance costs. The ministry shall be responsible for the proper use, upkeep, and maintenance of all equipment and supplies. The ministry shall facilitate visas for foundation personnel and support relevant registration application to enable effective implementation, monitoring, and evaluation of the program. The ministry shall also facilitate and assist in providing relevant data and information related to project planning, monitoring, result evaluation, and impact measurement. These provisions are not bureaucratic formalities. They are the machinery of accountability. This provision reflects a mature, professional, and respectful partnership, one that anticipates success while providing for responsible conclusion should circumstances change. Your Excellencies, distinguished colleagues, a memorandum of understanding is, in legal form, a statement of intent, but in substance, in the context of our Tonga emergency, it is a lifeline. It is a public declaration that two parties will work together in good faith, transparency, and mutual accountability, not for political advantage, not for ceremonial recognition, but for the protection of human life and the advancement of public health.
Meanwhile, the chair of the GX Foundation, Shang Ying Luing, said the initiative reflects the ongoing commitment to further strengthen and deepen the cooperative relationship between Tonga and China. He noted that the Chinese government places a high priority on improving health and healthcare services in partner countries. He also stated that the GX Foundation is committed to supporting Tonga over 2 years in the next 2 years in any areas needed within the health sector.
This MOU embodies our common wish to tackle vector-borne diseases in Tonga, leveraging on, again, the experiences and the capabilities of GX Foundation. Although this MOU is for a period of 2 years, we would like to think that our cooperation will last a lot more than 2 years. And we'd like to think that GX Foundation is here to stay. And again, although this MOU covers only vector-borne disease control, we'd like to think that as we work together shoulder to shoulder, we'll discover new areas of cooperation between the two parties. The signing of this MOU heralds in a new dimension in the friendly cooperation between China and Tonga. And it is also a further realization of the long-standing friendship and goodwill between the peoples, the government, and the countries of China and Tonga.
The GX Foundation is a non-governmental charitable organization established in Hong Kong, China in 2018. Its mission is to provide medical and healthcare assistance to communities in need. The foundation currently supports projects in 12 countries, including Tonga, focusing on healthcare services, public health initiatives, community well-being, and improving the quality of life for local population. The Youth Development Division of Tonga Ministry of Internal Affairs is highlighting the importance of empowering young people to prepare for their future and contribute to the development of the country. The division's main objective is to strengthen the capabilities of youth so they can become self-reliant, achieve their goals, and contribute positively to Tonga long-term development. Lydia Tongatapu with more on that story.
Yesterday, the Youth Development Division conducted an awareness and discussion program at the FWC Hall in Halafo'ou for students of the National University of Tonga. The program aimed to introduce the ministry's youth policy and help young people better understand the country's priority needs and challenges. Speaking to Radio Tonga News, Deputy CEO of the Ministry of Internal Affairs, Sinama Fuao, said it is important for young people to understand their role in society and be aware of the opportunities and responsibilities outlined in the National Youth Policy. Fuao also stressed the important role of parents and families in creating a positive and healthy environment for young people. Fuao adds that a strong family support helps youth develop their talent and make good decisions, while a lack of support can lead to choices that negatively affect both families and communities. Students who attended the program told Radio Tonga News that the session was valuable because it provided information and guidance they had not previously known or fully understood. They also said such programs should continue regularly as they help young people feel valued and supported while equipping them to make informed decisions about their future and their contribution to the nation. The ministry says the program has already been delivered in several communities and villages with the overall goal of empowering young people and supporting their aspirations within their families, communities, and the country as a whole. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Lidia Taukapo.
And the Environment Division of the Ministry of MEDAC is placing special emphasis on raising awareness and educating students about climate change and environmental challenges. This week is part of the division efforts to encourage students to gain a greater understanding of these important issues as Tonga observed Environment Week 2026 this week. Let's take a look. Although World Environment Day is officially observed on 5th of June every year, it has become customary in Tonga to commemorate the occasion throughout an entire week because of the importance of environmental protection and awareness. Speaking to Radio Tonga News, Latu of the Environment Division at MEDAC said that this year's main objective is to increase environmental awareness and knowledge among students. As part of the program, 7 secondary schools were selected to be visited by Environment Division staff who have organized a range of activities and educational programs to be carried out each day during the week. Latu says that students already possess a good level of understanding about environmental protection. However, the Environment Division hopes to continue providing information and education to further deepen student knowledge and skills relating to environmental issues. The theme for Environment Week 2026 is Prepare for Climate Change, Don't Delay, Start Today. Environment Week celebrations will conclude tomorrow. And that is your local scene. Sports is up next after this break with Pierre Ollier.
Welcome back in sport. His Royal Highness Prince Taufa'ahau Manumataongo and his team from Dupo College will take on Tonga Side School in the curtain raiser game of round 3 of the Tongatapu Inter-College Rugby competition at Te Whaima Park tomorrow. This follows the release of the draw by the Inter-College Rugby Committee as competition continues across Tongatapu. Prince Taufa'ahau's under-13 men's side remains unbeaten after the opening 2 rounds and will be looking to maintain its winning form. In the senior grade matches, Dupo College will face Dupo High School, while Abifo'o College meets Tonga College. Liahona High School will then take on Tonga High School. Other matches will be played at rugby grounds including Abifo'o, Tailulu, Dupo High School and Tonga College Atele. Meanwhile, Inter-College soccer competition kicks off tomorrow after the Tonga Football Association approved the start of the school's campaign at Valungofulu, the home of football.
But before we part, here's one final look at tonight's top stories. Minister of Health and GX Foundation Chair signed agreement strengthening Tonga-China Health Cooperation. Environment Week highlighted this week, and Tonga's Youth Development Division emphasizes empowering young people for the future. And that's it for tonight. Thank you for your company. Good evening.